Here we are in Costa Rica. We're staying at one of the most luxurious hotels, resorts you can stay at in Costa Rica, which is Four Seasons. So in this video, we're definitely gonna cover the Four Seasons Resort, give you a quick room tour, and we're probably gonna show you some monkeys if you stay towards the end. But this has been an amazing stay so far. In this trip, in this series, we have a whole bunch of videos that are gonna come out, and we are really gonna cover the luxurious side of Costa Rica. I gotta say, Four Seasons is definitely up there. So if you're looking at a place to stay, especially Four Seasons, when you're visiting Costa Rica, highly suggest you check it out. Monkeys are everywhere, the pools are amazing, and the views are even better. So if you're new to the channel, go subscribe, like this video, hit the little bell icon, and let's get started. Okay, let's be honest. When you think of Costa Rica, we don't always jump to luxury, but the Four Seasons property in Costa Rica offers just that. They have something for everything. Golf courses, amazing views, pools everywhere, and one of the best parts about this property, it's massive, 1,400 acres, plus 182 rooms and 3 pools. And the cool part, it's sandwiched between 2 beaches full of monkeys. So you know what? You will not be disappointed if you're looking for a luxury stay in Costa Rica. Now let's check out the room. Now, as you can tell, we're pretty excited about this room. If you know anything about Four Seasons, you know their rooms are absolutely stunning and perfectly done. The Costa Rica property was just that, perfectly done. Even the room on the outside was well prepared, and you even have a net to protect you from any animals and insects that come in, which I always appreciate. But my favorite part about a Four Seasons room is the bed. These are the best beds in the business, people. I'm telling you what, they actually sell these and you can buy them when you're there. One of my favorite parts of this room, though, was definitely the pass-through from the bathroom or the hot tub into your room. It was really cool to sit there and drink some champagne and hang out. Now, if we move on to the rest of the property, you'll notice everything is perfectly done. The furniture, the atmosphere, they make it feel like you're in this jungle beach environment that is super unique. Plus, you have great pools everywhere you go, surrounded by nice wildlife, birds, and even some monkeys. But if you're going to this property, one of the highlights is all the restaurants. These restaurants are so well done. They're decorated perfect, the lighting is great, and the food is even better. Everywhere you sit, you can tell you have a view of the ocean. It doesn't matter what side of the property you're on. And then making it even better, they have a tapas bar. Here you can go and explore all the different types of tequilas that they have on property. Plenty of space for large groups. They even have a tequila tasting room where you can go in and have a really fun experience with the party that you're with, or maybe your loved ones. You never can run out of tequila at this property, and I'm telling you what, it's top tier. Once you get a few drinks in you, go find a seat, enjoy the view, and keep on ordering the drinks and then just enjoy yourself. Best part about this hotel is they have something called the Gooseberry Drink. Oh my God, you gotta try it. It's a Costa Rican rum with gooseberry fruit in it. It tastes fabulous. Now, another really cool fact about the Four Seasons Costa Rica is that you are stuck in between 2 beaches of the Pacific. This side is the side that has the peninsula in it. Really gorgeous. So if it gets too windy on one side, too hot on one side, you can switch. And it's literally like, I don't know, 100 yards from one side to the other. Really cool resort. I think this is one of the most unique we've ever spent time at, and I will say I really appreciate how there's 2 different beaches for whatever whatever you want, whatever your family wants. All right, so besides amazing views, this place has a great spread for breakfasts and lunches. Here's the buffet for the breakfast. As you can tell, they have everything for everybody. If you want to make your kids some waffles with a whole bunch of different desserts and sweets, they got it and they can do it for you. If you want special ordered omelets, they have staff that'll make it for you. And maybe you're on a special diet, or maybe you're just trying to eat healthier or light, they have all these fresh fruits straight from Costa Rica, meats, fishes, whatever your heart desires, they have it for you. And it's a really cool experience, and this is all included in your room. Plus, if you just want to get, little snacks here and there, they can make that happen for you. So here's a little spread, a little idea of what to expect food-wise when you're at the property. The really cool part about the Four Seasons here in Costa Rica is we all love our massages, and we like to be outdoors, but oftentimes it can get really crowded, too many people. But I gotta say, Four Seasons Costa Rica has you covered. Check this out.
You never know what you'll find here in Costa Rica. If you look about right there, you'll see a really nice white-faced monkey. They are awesome, and there he goes.
Okay, this should go without saying, but the monkeys are still animals and they're wild, so give them their space. Try not to feed them and just enjoy. Pro tip, you might want to get there during sunset because that's when they all explode and start coming out. Super friendly and super fun. All right, so the Four Seasons Resort here in Costa Rica has been amazing. We really hope that you enjoyed the video. We hope we covered everything that you want to do when coming to a luxury resort in Costa Rica. Four Seasons is definitely one of the top ones you can experience, but in this series, we're gonna head over to another one down the street, which I think you're gonna wanna see, so definitely stay tuned during this series. If you're new to the channel, please go subscribe, like it, hit the bell icon. It really helps us a lot, and it lets us, travel and see the world and provide great content for you that are thinking about doing vacations, honeymoons, or just getaways. All right, guys, until next time.